Hi everybody, it's Nellie from Planner Happy. Be Planner Happy. Anyway, I am here today because I am going to decorate my, it says weekly expenses, but it's actually monthly expenses. I put this in my work planner. And I have two businesses, so I use one side for each, and I just jot down whenever I buy something in that month for each one of my businesses, just to kind of keep it separate. So I'm just going to get started. I have these that I'm going to put, you know, kind of a, just to show which business it is. And then I'm using this color palette. I'm going to use some washi. There really isn't a whole lot of decoration that goes on here. But I'm going to show you guys, you know, how I do it. And maybe, I don't know if you have this page or not. This is from one of the budgeting ones. One of the, you know, I think it was, let me see. It's from this one. Know Your Worth. And it's got a bunch of pages with different things, but basically I really wanted it, I mean, I can use these for others, and I might, but anything for right now, this is the main page that I'm using from that budget book. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off here. This would be a good like spending tracker if you wanted to keep track of maybe all of your sticker purchases, which, let me just say, it's pretty eye-opening. When I started writing down every time that I spent money on something having to do with stickers, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I have these that are kind of big, but I don't know, it's just kind of a little too chunky for me. So I'm going to do these. I've got two B's. So I have Be So Happy and Be Planner Happy. So I'm gonna do the H's first. The H first, and then just work my way back. That way I can see if I have room for putting a some kind of decorative sticker back there. So it's just going to sit right there. So the front page is usually my Be So Happy one. So let's do like that. And then the B. It's kind of close together, huh? See, I do not have much room for decoration there. All right, so that's BSH, and then we're going to have BPH. So in case you didn't know, BSH, my Be So Happy, is my first shop that I started back in, I think it was 2013. So it's been a while that I've had that one. And I used to sew different things, but now it's mostly signs. Some really cute, funny signs. All right, so BPH expenses, typically in my blue pen, I will put right here, January, February, whatever. So I'll do that afterwards. So now, which I guess I could do like Feb, but nah, I'm just going to keep it like that. So let's see what we can find to put up here that's kind of decorative. We can actually put it on both. Let's see. Does that fit? It kind of fits. Let's just do it. Even if it cuts off just a little bit, I'm okay with that. And actually, I guess I could use it on the other side too, huh? But on this side, I think I'm just going to cut this part so that it's just blue. I didn't even need to wipe that off, did I? Okay, that's fine. So now typically I will put, do I want to do the blue or the pink? Blue might be too much. Let's start with the pink here. I think I need a smaller pink too, don't I? Yeah, I think a smaller pink. Hold on one second. Okay, yeah, I like this pink better. It's a little bit brighter. So let's just use this pink here. I think I want it to go all the way across. Come on. All right. And then, let me see, how did I do it last time? I'm going to do the blue. Let me see which blue matches better. That one. I think this one's going to be the better match. All right. Yeah, I think I like that one better. So I just do right here to show like a tally, you know, like a tally line. So I'm going to do like that. And this is just a really simple page. Let's see. What's something here? I mean, I don't really fill this part in, you know. So let's do like this to bring that blue down here. Let's go like this. Let's go all the way. It's too high up. Oh my gosh, can't see it and get it aligned at the same time. All right, right there. Okay. Let's just go across. It's kind of coming up, right? There you go. All right. Just do like that. Put that there. That's a cute little quote we can use later. Then I feel like we need some pink. Let's see. Here's that pink, just to kind of finish it off. Down here, or do I want it? I think I want it here. So is there anything better I can do next week? I guess I should say next month. How about don't buy any more stickers? Or maybe buy more stickers. Okay. So I guess I can go ahead and just do a little bit of like some of these little flowers in here because they're pretty. And let's see. Kind of want a little flower right there. Let's do a pink one. This one might be too big, but let's try it and see. That's okay. Just to have a little bit of that pink up here. Oh, I forgot to do this side. Well, I mean, I guess I can just show you guys one side because basically I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'll just show you guys this page. Let's see. I don't ever fill this whole entire thing up. So it's okay for me to add a few stickers along the way because I can always take them off also, besides the fact that I never really fill it in all the way. That's cute, just to kind of finish the page down here. I like that. Okay, and then I also like to use my highlighter in here. So I'm going to go, I'll do that, and then I'll show you guys afterwards how it's done or how it looks. I think I want another little flower here. I kind of want it to have the blue. I think there's another page, right, of this. Yeah, this one. Look how cute. There's like these little pages. I mean, little bitty flowers. This wasn't cut really great. Well, I'm going to cut that off anyway, so it's okay. Let's do like this. All right. I'm pretty happy with that. I think I might add one of these little, let's add one of these over here. I don't like it. Let's do something else there. Let's see. Let's just do, which one? This one? This one's kind of different. It's kind of got that lines on it. I'm good with that right there. It's going to get punched through a little bit, but that's okay. All right, this is just, you know what, a simple page. I don't need this to be super elaborate. Let me go, I'm going to go get my highlighter and then do my highlighting, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I used Mr. Pen. I love these highlighters. They're like really kind of muted, you know. I just love the colors. They're like really soft, and I love how it glides across the page. So I was thinking maybe I needed to add a little bit of this blue down here just to kind of finish it off. So I'm going to see how that looks. See if I like it. Or do I like it without? I think I like it with. So let's do it with just like this. And basically I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I probably have enough of the same flowers, so it'll be basically, you know, almost identical. All right, so there it is, weekly expenses. So date, what I bought, how much it was, and then I started checking off is it a need or a want, but it was like want. So I'm like, maybe I won't mark that off anymore. I don't know. So anyway, just a cute, simple little page. You can track any kind of expenses or whatever you want to track on it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to be setting up my work planner, which is in the monthly layout, so those videos will be next. Bye. Oh, please comment, subscribe, give a thumbs up, all of that stuff. Thank you.